Hi all, welcome back to this last demo, the third demo of data analytics series, a demo series. In this, we will try to understand what are the tools and technologies we need to learn to become a proper, a well-skilled set data analytics engineer. So guys, be with me for next couple of minutes so you will understand, you will get an idea what are the tools which we need to learn to become a data analytics engineer, and there are some optional tool also which one to choose, because we need to choose a right tool to get a good job. That is also a very important. So guys, the first tool which we need to learn to become a data analytics engineer is Microsoft Excel. A very, very powerful tool, guys. This tool, if you learn, you will be able to any type of data, any type of Excel sheet data, okay, CSV format data, you can translate with the help of graphs, with the help of, you can say, charts, and you can create a nice dashboards. So Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool to design, okay, to design or to create the charts. To data cleaning means you want to remove some data, unimportant data, unnecessary data, or you want to add some data, then Microsoft Excel is very, very famous one. But yes, this tool has some limitation. You cannot, okay, you cannot deal with a very big amount of data with the help of Excel, because Excel can have around 1,30,000, okay, records it can take. But what if the data is very bigger, like millions of records are there, then the Microsoft Excel is not suitable for that. So I can say here, Excel is for suitable for small data, okay, small data. But what if the big data is there? Then big data, you cannot store it into your laptops. You need something, okay, something which can accommodate your data. So that is where comes the database, guys. So all the data you will be storing where? You will be storing in databases. So here, no matter what type of data, you can store your data, okay, you can store your data into your databases. Once they are stored in your databases, what you can do is, let me change the color, guys. So once the data is changed, okay, or data is added, okay, added into your databases, simply you can, okay, you can store a very big amount of data in this databases. Then you have to have a very powerful tool, another Microsoft's tool, that is called Power BI, very famous one tool. And it is, you can say, now in a collaboration with the Microsoft 365, Azure, a cloud of Microsoft, and such a great tool, such a powerful tool, guys. Alone on Power BI, you will get a lot of opportunities in data analytics. So Power BI is one of the tool, again, you can learn and you can make a career into data analytics. But you need to take the data from databases. So you have to connect your Power BI application which is installed in your laptop to the databases and take the data. So data extraction, data transform, data loading, is all things we will be learning with the help of Power BI. Another one tool comes, okay, so I can say here, when the data is big, okay, when data is big, you can use Power BI. But there is another one tool. Okay, you can say it is a programming language, Python. A lot of people get scared of it, but trust me guys, it is a very simple language, and you cannot call yourself a proper data analytics engineer until and unless you know a programming language, Python. You don't have to learn Python in detail like Python programmers, but at least you have to understand Python's core concepts, so you can do small tasks which are related to your data analytics. So with the help of Python also you can do data analytics jobs. So here, when data is when data is no matter big or small, data is big or small, but when the data is big and complex, okay, and you need a more scientific representation, or you need a more scientific representation of your data, then you have to go with the Python, guys. Yes, so Python will help you to have that kind of visualization. Again, you can attach your Python code program with your databases and extract the data from there and load it and do the visualizations. So you are going to learn SQL also, because SQL is the language which is used to communicate with the databases. So you will learn SQL, you will learn Python core, guys. No need to learn in detail advanced Python and all. Power BI and Microsoft Excel. These are the only 4 things you have to learn to become a proper solid data analytics engineer, guys. And we are going to offer you this 4 tools. We will be taking lot of real-time data sets, and we will be developing a different visualization and creating dashboards. So guys, I hope you have understood now. All the questions are clear, like who can take the course, why to take the course, and what things we are offering as an institute here. And next we got to understand like what is data analytics actually, okay, and we understood different data engineer, data scientist role, and then data analytics role also, as well as we try to understand what other tools and technologies are involved in data analytics. So thank you so much guys for listening this all the 3 demos. Bye bye, see you.